Good morning from Albufeira. This is sunrise. We woke up early so we could come and see it. There's not a cloud in the sky, and this is what Tina wanted to see.
It is absolutely beautiful, just stunning. It was well worth getting up.
Here we are at Albufeira Marina. It's a new development. It's really outside of Albufeira, would you say, Tina?
Yeah, I would. I mean, in a car it's probably 5 minutes drive, but it would probably take you about 30 minutes if you're walking, maybe.
To get to the old town from here,
Yeah.
or even the new town. You are pretty remote, and this development isn't quite as self-contained as you hoped it would be. There are a few stores here, restaurants, but you need transport to get from here to Albufeira.
Now, we have noticed that there are taxis here all the time, and pretty much I think the little train and the hop-on, hop-off bus come, but I'm not sure if all those run, say, on the Sundays, so you could be a little bit more isolated.
More apartments above the stores, beautifully coloured. It's a very nice area. What do you think, Teen?
Yeah, no, it looks very nice, and I imagine if you've got one of the apartments there, you'd have a very nice view.
We are going to go and find the waterfront, the marina, see all the boats. This is the way to get here. And surprise, surprise, you know what we're going to find?
What are we?
We are going to find
A lot more steps.
Yes.
So here we go.
Here we are down at the waterfront, and as you can see, really nice coloured, bright buildings. Got another blue sky today.
Yeah.
And it's very warm. So this is Restaurant Row in Albufeira Marina, and it's lots of different cuisine to choose from.
And we're just going past a Mexican place there where they're giving everybody a Mexican hat to wear.
Yeah,
Sombrero, because it is actually really hot.
Yeah, I think I need one.
I think you do. Do you fancy one of those?
No. This is the marina with the boats parked, all the ones that I can't afford. There's just hundreds of them.
If you're coming to Albufeira, this is one of the areas that is well worth looking to stay in. There's lots of accommodations here. As you can see, there's lots of really nice apartments there, all brightly coloured. And you're right, overlooking the boats in the marina here. So we're just seeing down here lots of people coming down to get into a boat to go on the dolphin and cave tour.
So this is an aerial shot looking down on the Marina Complex. You can see all the pastel coloured buildings. It is a very, very large development. Here's the windmill we found. It's really quite unique and beautiful.
And the plus thing is it's right up on the top of the hill, so when you discover the windmill up here, you can look down on the old town, the new town, and look everywhere.
That's a view from the windmill and the old town.
Yeah, with the church.
Directly down in front of us. But we're actually in the new town of Albufeira right now, looking down on the old town. This is Albufeira City Hall. It's a futuristic, space-age looking building.
That's pretty cool with all the flags out front.
Yeah, so this is in the new town, and you'll be passing it quite often. So where are we, Teen?
We're in front of the Albufeira Shopping Centre, and this has one of our favourite grocery stores, the Continent. Also has a Pizza Hut in here and various other
there's
things.
a food court in the basement.
Yeah.
And so we'll go and check it out. The nice thing about this place is that you can get free Wi-Fi, which is down here in the food court.
Which is good, because we've heard some people say that the places they're staying in, they haven't got Wi-Fi, so it's good.
This is the food court, wide variety of different food.
Sort of Chinese food, Portuguese.
We like this Gold Tree Cafe in front of us, it's pretty good. You need to get cash. There's a bank here, the Millennium, it's a pretty reputable place to get it. You can only get 200 euros at a time. And this is the entrance to the Continent supermarket. Right next door to the shopping mall is more apartments. There's one here with a swimming pool, there's hotels. So you'll find lots of accommodation in what we're calling the new town of Albufeira. The one thing we found in Albufeira, in the new town, is most of the traffic circles, and this is true for a lot of towns in the Algarve, they all have some artwork in the centre of the roundabouts or traffic circles. And here's one for Albufeira with watches. There's 2 watches, tell the time. How much is it to eat in Albufeira New Town? It's a little more competitive in price than the old town. This is a breakfast. They have a vegetarian option as well, which is quite unusual. So if you want a big mega breakfast, 13 euros. If you want just a regular at sunrise, 5.50. So here's the Worms roundabout. It's following on with the theme of artwork in roundabouts in Albufeira New Town. Well, as the sign says, team, welcome to paradise. The strip starts here.
Live music.
So a big location in Albufeira New Town is the strip, and it's what a lot of holiday makers come for, especially younger people, the soccer crowd. They like to come down here in the night, and this place is absolutely hopping. We'll show you a bit more of it. This is the northern end of the strip in Albufeira New Town, and from here it runs all the way down towards the ocean. Looking down the strip from the north, you can drive down a part of it, but this is winter time and it's not going to be as busy as summertime. We're just walking down the strip. Here's a little tuk-tuk that's running around all over the place.
Yeah, they do tours.
And here's some bars. You can get cheap drinks here.
And again, they've got, looks like cocktails and happy hour. I think happy hour lasts quite a bit here. So here they've got a special menu for $7.50 where you can get steak and fries, chicken breast, buffalo chicken wings. That seems a pretty good deal. Oh,
and then same menu but bigger. Here's the tuk-tuks there. That's the favourite transportation around the place.
So you can get a tour that goes all around Albufeira. So from here in the strip, it'll take you down to the old town or even up to the marina.
If you want to get crazy drunk, have a party along with 1,000 of your closest friends at night, this is the place to come. The Canadian bar on the strip, taste of the true north and the beautiful south.
So this is a little bit like home from home. Oh, and look at that, they've got Tim Hortons Briars. So
starts March the 2nd. So we've got curling down here. That's the strip for you. We have not really been here before, but we thought we should show it to you. Yeah. It's one of the most popular places for the younger crowd to come to. There's a lot of expats. You can watch lots of different sports.
And a lot of people come for stag parties and hen parties and weddings and things. I guess it's big business over here.
So this is the strip in Albufeira. What have we got here, team?
So there's the train, which also comes up here to the strip from the old town to the new town. And that pretty much brings us to the end of giving you a tour of what the new town has to offer. So we hope you've enjoyed what we've showed you.